Okay, since we have changed the slave cylinder, we've got to bleed the air out of the system. And you can't see the master cylinder, but it's in the center of the screen down there. And on a Ford Ranger and I believe a Mazda, the slave cylinder is pointed down. On a Ford Ranger it's level. The problem with the system is there's the air bubble is below the master cylinder and the reservoir, and it causes an air pocket in there, and you've got to bleed that air bubble or air pocket out of there. So what we've got to do is take the master cylinder loose and turn it up to where the bottom is facing upward, and it'll force that air bubble back out the reservoir as we pump it. So what I'm going to do, if you can see that rusty bolt down there, it's about in the center of the screen there. I've got to remove the bolt, the mounting bolts. And my master cylinder on the inside is right here. Right there it is. It's got to be disconnected from the clutch pedal. And you can see where that bolt, the retaining nut for it, was welded back on. So this has been taken off before by somebody. Alright, right over there is the other bolt behind this insulation. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to bleed this and get the clutch, get through with it.